Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream tomato soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream, and 4 cups of flavorful vegetable broth. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 2 minced garlic cloves, plus 2 tablespoons of olive oil. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious soup. Now let's build that wonderful flavor base. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your 1/4 cup of chopped onion and cook until it's beautifully softened, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the 2 minced garlic cloves and let them cook for just 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, pour in the 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. It's time to bring everything together. Pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth with your tomato mixture. Bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing all those flavors to meld for about 15 minutes. Once simmered, carefully blend the soup until it's wonderfully smooth. An immersion blender makes this step super easy, but you can also use a regular blender in batches. For the perfect creamy finish, remove the pot from the heat and stir in your 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Season the soup with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Gently heat the soup for about 2 minutes, ensuring it doesn't boil to warm the cream through. Serve your delicious cream tomato soup hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh basil or some crunchy croutons. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.